Grabe pala ang pinagdaanan ng history of mathematics. From Egyptians to Greeks. Sobrang laki ng evolution.
Oo nga eh. Pero habang nag-review ako gabi, bigla ako napatanong,
Ano naman yun?
gaano nga ba kalaki yung Chinese mathematics? I mean, puro na lang Greeks, puro na lang Indians. Paano naman yung mga Chinese?
Uy, interesting yan ah. Actually, marami contributions ang Chinese sa mathematics.
Do you guys want to learn about Chinese mathematics?
Tara, let's dive in!
Para maintindihan natin ang Chinese mathematics, balikan natin ang nakaraan.
Tama, ang China ay agricultural at bureaucratic. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nila ng math for land measurement, taxation, calendar making, engineering, and record keeping. Kaya nag-evolve ang math nila ng mabilis.
At syempre, meron silang writing system at organized government, which gave them the structure to preserve and develop mathematical knowledge for centuries.
Unang-una sa kontribusyon nila ay decimal place value system. Centuries bago ma-develop ng buo sa ibang lugar. Ginagamit na rin ng Chinese ang base 10 system, numbers, and road numerals.
Next is the 9 chapters of mathematical art. Parang ito ang math textbook nila. Nandito ang solutions for linear equations, fractions, and system of equations. Basically, advanced mathematics for its time.
At hindi lang yan, they also have geometry and measurement. Areas for shapes, solids for volumes, and land surveying methods.
Magic squares. Sila ang pioneers ng magic squares which influence recreational math and number theory.
Pascal's triangle. Alam niyo ba, ginagamit na nila ang binomial coefficient bago pa si Pascal. Sa China, tinatawag nila itong Yang-Hui's triangle.
Negative numbers. Believe it or not, the Chinese mathematician was among the first to use negative numbers in calculations.
Astronomy and calendar mathematics. Chinese astronomers have developed an accurate calendar using precise calculations of the lunar and solar cycles. Kailangan kasi nila ito para sa kanilang agriculture at mga festivals.
Of course, hindi mabubuo ang Chinese mathematics kung walang great minds behind it. Zhang He, astronomer and mathematician, who created the early formulas for time and invented the instrument to measure weight.
Zhu Chongzhi, one of the most brilliant mathematicians in history. He calculated that up to 7 digits of pi, which was approximately 355 over 113, which was unmatched for 800 years. Can you folks believe that?
Yoho, he wrote one of the most important commentaries on the 9th chapter. Siya rin ang nabigay ng accurate methods for geometry, like polygon methods for computing pi.
Yang Hu, also known for popularizing the triangular arrangements of binomial coefficients, also known today as Pascal's triangle.
So, kung tatanungin tayo, gaano nga ba kagaling ang Chinese mathematics noon?
Simple lang, they are more practical, advanced, and systematic pagdating sa mathematics.
Their math was not just theories, it was used in real-life problems.
Lab, engineering, trade, and astronomy, all of it had mathematical foundation.
And their innovation influenced other civilization indirectly and directly.
Kaya hanggang ngayon, pinakangarap pa rin ang kanilang contributions and legacy.
Anyways, We hope you learned something about Chinese mathematics. History may be old, but math is always evolving.